group for Sprint represents our portfolio of products that is embedded and machine-to-machine products. So think of everything in our portfolio that's not a phone. Digital signage, a connected vehicle, infotainment system, gaming device, tablets, all of those things add up into this world called machine-to-machine.
The M2M Collaboration Center is really a working lab. This is not about a briefing center or a place to hold meetings, but it's really a center for engineers, developers, ecosystem partners to bring their ideas, to test them, do prototypes, to understand if their solution will work, and then get it to market in a very quick and fast manner.
Panasonic is a founding partner of our MCC, which means that we are working specifically with Panasonic at a strategic level between Sprint and Panasonic to bring new products to the marketplace.
When we approached Panasonic, they were immediately interested in a big way. And you can see that behind me, the 9 47-inch LCD screens that you see, that we're able to demonstrate one of our main vertical solutions, digital signage. Digital signage is such a huge growth opportunity in the M2M space. I think a lot of people think of it as just an advertising application or opportunity, but if you think about employee communication in the retail space, in a fast food area, digital signage is such a great opportunity because you can immediately change the content to what you need it to be.
The thing with wireless technology for digital signage, it brings portability and mobility to the equation that the other solutions do not provide. So it's simple, fast, and available, and you can move it.
So the next evolution for digital signage really is to have the module embedded into the sign. So no longer do you have to have an external source for your bandwidth or your radio waves. It will be embedded into the sign, which even makes the sign more portable and easier use for the customer, and really can make the sign any size for any type of application.
So you're outside the IT infrastructure, you have a lot of flexibility on where you can place it, and providing wireless access directly to it enables you to dynamically change that content without having to schedule it with your wired infrastructure in your corporate enterprise network.
It's hard to predict some of the opportunities that we'll see in the M2M space, but some of the newer things that we're starting to see, even with the digital signage types of applications in an advertising venue, is that there are applications that can actually recognize the people that are looking at your advertising. So from a demographic perspective, they can tell, is it a man or is it a woman, approximate age, and they can then tailor that advertising or that offer to that demographic. So there's just huge leaps and bounds that we'll take with this technology and be able to recognize what the user needs in that way or many other ways, and then provide them back the solution or the information or the offer that actually fits them.
Panasonic was first to recognize this opportunity in this partnership with Sprint to be able to work on new products and bring new value to consumers and businesses in the marketplace. So I think the flexibility and the mindset of Panasonic is to focus on growth areas and bring these new products to the marketplace, and that makes them pretty unique for us.
I continue to see great things in the partnership with Panasonic and Sprint and the Collaboration Center. When you have a partner as strong as Panasonic with their deep history and their experience and their wide breadth, I see nothing but great opportunities in what can be next in the M2M space.